Why are forums like this that are organized by Hatch essential for moving the industry forward?
Thank you. It's a great question. I think of a few things why these forums are very important. The first is that they gather a group of people who are not getting together on a daily basis. We have representatives from, of course, the professional services spectrum, but also from our clients, the operators and producers of metals, but also from governments. And when you put all these individuals together, the dialogue gets to a different level.
Ricardo, you moderated the panel discussion and it was very insightful. So, in one word, if you could summarize the challenges in the copper industry, what would you say?
Well, thank you. First of all, I guess probably if I had to choose one word, it would be cooperation. I think we've heard lots of interesting examples around how cooperation is such an important thing in this industry. Mining is such a concerted effort between governments, and by the way, the government was also represented in the panel. So government, society, and mining companies, and investors, and junior mining companies. So it's really a constellation of stakeholders and players, and it's much easier when people are all around the table cooperating to make sure that we actually bring all the copper the world needs.
As a Hatch leader, what does cracking the copper code mean to you?
I see that as twofold. One is to how do we help our clients to increase the copper production to meet the demands of society, to help decarbonization and so on, and also how to improve value in their assets, be it from the mine, from the concentrator, downstream processes such as melting and refining, and also tailings and water management. So both from a production point of view and from a value creation within their assets.
Yeah, I think the first thing to say is the diversity of the people on the panel was very important because coming from different companies, they have different strategies on what they see or where they see the potential opportunities. And so I think you got a good mix of those views. In terms of talking about mining strategies, making sure you've got the right people looking at, thinking about opportunities inside the ore bodies with the geologists as well is really important. And the earlier you can identify what the potential is, the better you'll probably go in designing the steps downstream. In terms of projects and bringing new projects on, you've got to think about how far you want to go with infrastructure, technology. Do you want to go to smelting? Do you want to go to leaching, to refineries? Again, all things that need to be carefully considered. And I think we all agree that AI or a broader approach to innovation is required to help you get the best out of the whole value chain. And I think they were the key insights that I walked away with from the whole session.